Hi there, I'm Dai Oliveira and today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Grinch, the Christmas breaker. So let's pick up your pencil, your paper, and let's draw with me today. First of all, you're gonna make a circle a little bit flat, okay? Remember not to use so much strong on your pencil, you don't want to scratch your paper, okay? Now you're gonna make this shape up here. Now you're gonna make this shape up here. To be Grinch's head, I'm gonna make a circle now. Now the circle, it's not gonna be a flat circle, okay? It's gonna be a standard shape. Now I'm gonna put these two lines. And I'm gonna draw a little bit of Grinch's body. Now that we have this kind of construction base of our drawing, I'm gonna use my eraser and I'm gonna clean it a little bit, making the lines fade a little bit. Now that I have my sketch right here, I can continue my drawing, putting some details. I'm gonna draw the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and a lot of details. But the proportions that I'm gonna use, it's on the paper right now. I'm gonna make a line in the middle of the sketch to help me find the middle of the eyes, the nose, the position of the mouth, okay? Now I'm gonna start to draw the eyes. I'm gonna start with this line, a little bit curved. I'm gonna make a line a little bit curved down, up, down, up. Grinch has this angry face, so the eyebrows are very important to express this feeling. Now with a half of a circle, I'm gonna draw the eyes. And the eyes have life right now. I'm just gonna fix a little bit the proportions here. This is what sketches are for. Okay, I'm gonna make some more details on the eyebrows. I'm gonna draw a little bit of hair. Right now I can draw the nose. I'm gonna start with a little circle right here, but the circle is a little bit flat too. Now I'm gonna make these two lines to cut the shape. It's gonna look like a triangle, but a triangle a little bit rounded. Now a curved line. It starts on the base of the nose and going down to the mouth. The mouth is gonna be a rounded line. It's gonna point both sides down. Now I already can see Angry Grinch showing up and the draw is going. I can draw all the fur that he has right now. He has fur on his head, on his face, on his neck, and all the body has a lot of fur, a lot of hair. So basically right now I'm gonna draw a lot of it, okay? It needs to be a little more organic to be cool. In the center of the face, it's gonna be a lot of more fur than in the top of the head or on the neck. And let's go, let's draw. Let's finish this Grinch. A little bit more longer here, shorter lines, longer lines, a lot of fur. He has this angry face, but I think he's very cute. What do you think? So, short lines, long lines, long lines, short lines. And the fur is showing up. In the top of the head, very short, tiny lines. Now I'm gonna make this kind of hair that he has up here. I need to put some more details on his face. I'm gonna use colors to define a little bit more here. Now I'm gonna use some markers to make the lines. Now I'm gonna use my eraser again to make these lines a little more clear. I'm gonna use colored markers to make the lines. I'm gonna start with green. I'm gonna use the darker green first. I'm gonna draw a lot of details with this marker. A lot of details that I didn't draw with the pencil, I can do right now. And I can make this draw look like a lot of more interesting. I cannot forget to make these very long lines to show where the fur are growing more on him. I'm gonna make the eyebrows with dark green too. But I'm gonna make a lot of more shadows and light. I'm gonna make this draw be more volumetric. The hair. The nose. Now I'm gonna use the lighter green. I'm gonna draw lines with this lighter green. It's gonna make a very interesting effect. I'm gonna do a lot of more expression on him. Now with the darker green, I'm gonna start making more lines, and the fur is showing up. Look how the expression is so much cooler right now. Now I'm gonna use the brown marker for the eyes. And this salmon, this little rose right here, I'm gonna use to the mouth. Light green again. Now black marker to the eyes. Darker green to paint here. And I'm gonna draw a little bit more details to finish this drawing. And let's go! I'm gonna use a little bit of yellow just for details. And this is my angry Grinch. Now I'm gonna use my eraser again to clean up my draw. And this is it. What do you think about my Grinch? Is he gonna break the Christmas? Just gonna sign here, die 2020, and this is it. If you liked this video, so let's give your thumbs up. Comment below what you want me to teach you in the next video, and see you next video.